Hi there, welcome. We're going to take you through the step-by-step process of setting up your Shopify store. Now, the beginning portion of this training will be the same regardless of whether you're dropshipping or you're actually setting up your own e-commerce store with your own products. A little bit later on in the training, we'll show you what you need to do if you are actually going to be using this for the dropshipping method with AliExpress and the Oberlo app. But once again, the beginning is the same, so let's get started. Obviously, the first thing you need to do is sign up for Shopify. Right below this video, you'll find a link to Shopify. After you click that link, it'll open in a new tab so you can work alongside of this video if you'd like. Make sure you use that link below this video in order to ensure that you're actually getting the free trial here. After you get over to Shopify, you can see you're going to get a 14-day trial on Shopify. Go ahead and enter your email address and password and choose your store name at this point. If you don't have any idea what your store name is going to be or you're not 100% sure, you can always change this later. I'm going to go ahead and enter this information and I'll pick you up on the next page.